Stop scrolling. Flushed face. Did you know AI is secretly taking over the world, and you can use it too? Let me show you 5 mind-blowing tools you can try today. First up, ChatGPT, your personal AI brain. It writes essays, solves problems, even tells jokes better than your friend. Yes, better than your friend. Grinning squinting face. Imagine having a genius that never sleeps. Number 2, Gamma.app. Turns a single sentence into a full professional presentation. Just one line, and boom, a complete slide deck. Your boss will think you cloned Einstein. Tool 3, Pictory.ai. Ever wanted to make a video in minutes without learning editing? Paste your script, and it magically creates your video. Seriously, it's like AI waved a wand. Number 4, 11labs.io. Your own voice, but AI powered. Read your text, choose a voice, and suddenly, your computer sounds more human than humans. Creepy. Maybe. Cool. Definitely. And finally, Tome.app. Turns your ideas into beautiful AI-powered slides with pictures, layouts, and designs. It's like having a personal designer inside your laptop. Mind equals blown. These 5 AI tools aren't just tools, they're your future teammates. Want more secrets that will change the way you work and learn? Subscribe to ZishiAI Lab and join the AI revolution today.